Can an LLC convert to C corporation? Yes, an LLC can convert to a C corporation, but the process depends on the state where your LLC is formed. Some states allow a simple statutory conversion by filing a form with the Secretary of State. In other states, you may need to form a new C corporation and then merge your LLC into it, or dissolve the LLC entirely and transfer assets to the new corporation. Business owners often convert to a C corporation when they want to raise capital from investors, especially venture capital firms, because C corporations can issue stock. C Corps also make sense for businesses planning to go public in the future. However, converting changes your tax obligations since C corporations face double taxation, meaning the company pays taxes on profits and shareholders pay taxes again on dividends. Before converting, it's important to weigh the benefits of raising investment against the added complexity and tax obligations of running a C corporation. Zen Business can help you form an LLC now and guide you through the steps if you decide to convert to a C corporation later. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.